Good morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as a assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss one nice topic, the standard hydrogen electrode. It's simply called as SHE. So what is standard hydrogen electrode? Is simply called it the reference electrode, because in standard hydrogen electrodes the standard value is 0. That's why we are using as a reference electrode to find out the other metal ions of the potential. So this is the basic diagram of standard hydrogen electrodes. We are using in platinum wire of standard hydrogen electrode, and in that electrode we are filling with the HCl solution, and hydrogen gas, it will be 1 atmospheric pressure, it's maintained, and temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So in this beaker, the HCl concentration is 1 molarity of HCl solutions, and hydrogen gas is a 1 atmospheric pressure. It's a plated, platinum coated on a platinum foil is dipped into the electrode solution, standard hydrogen electrode. The standard hydrogen electrode is the parameter hydrogen gas pressure and acidic solution. Hydrogen pressure is 1 atmospheric and acidic solution 1 molarity of H plus ions in temperature 25 degrees Celsius. In electrode potential we can find out 0 voltage. So in 0 voltage, that's why we are using standard hydrogen electrode for find out the other metal ions. For example, we are using in standard hydrogen electrode act as a cathode, we can find out the anodic of the other solutions. So imagine the 0 point. Just like we need a common starting point to compare the everyone height. So the SHE also act as a friend who help to measure the everyone the potential in the electrochemical world. For example, SHE is a reference electrode. So comparing the electrode with the other metal ions, so we can decide what is the electrode potential, which metal will be high and low, like that. So, why we need to study the reference electrons in hydrogen bands, platinum? It will be why need to study this standard hydrogen electrode. If we know about the standard hydrogen electrode, in all the details, we know about the other metal ions, the electrode potentials. So, this concepts, it's a connect with the Nernst equation and the electrochemical series. If this hydrogen is involved, is it the safe? We can discuss. So it's a create stable and reproducible zero potential reference electrodes. So it's a commonly know about, it's a zero potential reference electrode. It's also known as standard hydrogen electrodes. So already we discussed about the hydrogen gas atmospheric and hydrogen gas and temperature. It must be its accuracy, reproducibility and simplicity is the electrochemical studies. So this is the basic diagram of a standard hydrogen electrode. In that electrode, we can filling with the electrolytic solution 1 molar concentration of HCl, and the platinum wire is dipped into that solution, and hydrogen is maintained here. The standard hydrogen electrode is a reference to used to measure the electrode potential of the other electrodes. Simply the platinum electrodes coated with the platinum black, it's for large surface area and immersed into the 1 molarity of HCl solution, and hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubbled over the electrode surface. This is the basic cell representation of SKGE. This is a working principle of SKGE. So in this diagram, we know about in left side we have using SHE. SHE act as a anode here, and right hand side we have used the copper. So SHE, the electrode potential is 0. We know about the electrode potential is 0. In copper electrode, it will be the gaining of electrons. So SHE act as a anode and copper as a cathode. We know about the standard hydrogen electrodes of potential, and we know about the total voltmeter, like in 0.337 voltage. So other we can use this formula, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. We know about the other part of the cathode. So here the H plus ion, the platinum surface, the H plus ions is a gaining of electrons to give the hydrogen. So depending on the cell combination, the SKG act as a anode and cathode. That means it can act as a anode and for either or it will be a cathode also, it's very active. So this is a zero potential reference point. Already we discussed this time. So there's a simple activity. So we know about the zero potential ruler and linked to Nernst equation. It will be modify some standard conditions, pressure and concentration is predicted how the potential changes using the Nernst equation. So this diagram already we are discussed, then basic about the SKE. So application of SKE is a very important in daily life. This is a reference electrode. That's why we can find out the other metals potential. It's using for the pH measurement and battery research, and using in our chemistry laboratory for potentiometric titration and other titrations. Also we are using this electrode to find out the electrode potential and the construction the electrochemical series. So these are the main applications of standard hydrogen electrodes. So thank you.